Hello and welcome to today's tutorial again. Hopefully this attempt at making this video works this time. Cool, so yeah, today we'll be talking about how to make a pond, place it into our site. So yeah, we're just gonna make a pond right here, and we'll start by first digging a little hole, which we'll select this ground that's already here, double click on it. Edit surface, and we'll click on place points. So we'll start by putting out at 0, elevation 0, because that's what the rest of our ground here is at. We'll make the outside rim of our pond. As you can see, it didn't change anything because it's all at 0. Now we'll give it some depth. Let's say negative 12 feet is what the depth of our pond will be. You can make it more curved and more intense, or more gradual, but we'll just do it pretty basic because it'll be underground and you won't always see it anyways. So put 3 little points there. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Let's actually put that one right there. Yeah, looks good. What we can even do is make one even a little bit deeper right in the middle. Bam. Yeah, I guess it didn't really do much, but yeah, I kind of did. Cool. Sweet, and then we'll click on the check mark. Bam. So there we have our hole in the ground. Perfect place for our pond to go. And then we will go back to masking and site. Click on the topple surface. Go up here. You see where our pond is, and then we will make the layer for our water. Let's have it just like 2 feet below the ground. Yeah, cool. And then we'll just kind of make a square around this, which will cover up half the pond, as you can see. You see how that layer just kind of cutting right through our hole. Cool. Click the check, because that's what we want. It's our water layer. Make sure this little thing is selected here, so we can select the face, select the thing we just made, and then we'll come over to material. We'll change that by category. Something I just learned, and I learned this the last time I was trying to make this tutorial, is this box wasn't showing up here, and if you click on this, it'll appear and disappear. So if you want this thing to show up, that's how you do that. And that's what you'll need to do if you don't have water. When I type in water here, all I get is goo. Like literally goo. I don't know what that means. But down here we get actual water. What fun. So we'll click on that and double click on it. It'll bring it up here. And look up here and see that. Look at that. That's sweet. It's good looking water. That's what we want. And then we'll click apply. Okay. Let's see if it did it. Oh yeah, there's our water. Okay, you can get probably even some fish from Rabbit City and throw some fish in there if we wanted. That would be pretty cool. And it looks pretty cool when you render it. Let me show you. Let me move these. Move the ground a little bit. I'm just going to place another point here. Right here. Just, yeah. So we can kind of see it from further away. And we'll go to this right up here. And let's see, camera. We'll make a camera view. Place a little camera right here so we can see what we're looking at. Oh yeah, this is gonna be sweet. We can click on it's realistic. Yeah, ooh, let's even walk forward a little bit. If you don't know how to use the navigation tool, go watch my other video. It's pretty sweet. Actually, I can step up a little bit. Yeah. Maybe even zoom just a tiny bit. Oh yeah, that's gonna look so good. And then we'll click RR, which will bring up our render box. Click on render. It'll give us a few minutes. It usually takes just a minute or two to load. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. Oh, here it is. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Ooh, What a view. Oh yeah, cool. And it will make it even look even better. So if we change this material to, let's see, change it to like grass or something. Yeah, down here. Okay. Oh, I just changed it to water. That's not what I meant to do. Let's try it again. Let's give it a minute. There's different water. I noticed there's like a different water sample as well, which was more like wavy. So you can kind of play around with different things. Oh yeah. Look at that. A little reflection pond. Make it look just that much better. Well, neat. Thanks for watching. Hope this was informational for you. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye.